What's up, everybody? Yeah, I've been out of this game a little bit, so bear with me, but I got this is the striped bass. It's been marinating in, I got a bunch of cilantro, yes, a bunch, you know, a bunch of cilantro. I chopped that up, olive oil, and I just let that sit overnight, and then I put the juice of a lime. So I put it in another bag, and I put the juice of a lime, I put cilantro and paprika on top, and just a splash of hot sauce. I've had a recipe before, it's really good. So yep, this is what we're having for dinner. We're gonna have that and some, I got some cheddar and sour cream potatoes. And when I filleted the bass, and then I washed it in regular water, and I came back down to the canal, and I got a bucket of seawater, and I rinsed it in the seawater, and then patted it dry to give it the salty, yeah, you know what I mean, to give it its saltiness. Please don't stick. That would suck if it sticks. Means it's not ready if it's not flipping. I believe. Turn the heat down on that. Yeah, cranking too high, just to get the, you know, crispy skin. Yeah, I've had this on tuna and it was delicious. I had made this on striper and it was delicious. So that's what we're making again. He's looking pretty good. I don't know if I can flip this. That would suck. Sticking. Not good. Ow. Ah, it's stuck. Oh well. I didn't have enough oil in the pan. The fish had oil on it, but it's stuck. Oh well, next time. I mean, some of the skin's crunchy. Mostly peeled off. Oh, I'm starving. I don't know what's been wrong with me the last couple of days. I've been not really eating. I don't know. Don't feel like eating. Let's get this water boiling. Don't matter because it's going to be delicious. So, I messed up the skin. What else is new? I'm not perfect. I don't do anything perfect. Down here at the canal again today, and I caught a flounder, another summer flounder. Excuse me, it was only 16.5 inches, needed to be 17. So I couldn't keep that. I caught a black sea bass. That was 14 inches and it needed to be 15, so that went back. But I had fun catching them, so that was cool. At least I caught some. And there is crazy little baby stripers, little guys over there just feeding on little tiny minnows in the water. They're in there splashing around. It's crazy. You hear them. Water's going crazy. They're not big ones though, they're little babies. I don't know where the mackerel went. The little ones are feeding on the little baby fish. I don't know where the mackerel... Wherever the mackerels are, that's where the big fishes are. Whoa. Almost ready. This time I'm not going to burn myself. Cheddar and sour cream potatoes with fish. Yep, sounds good to me. I'm going to call that cooked enough. You guys missed out on a good one. I was cooking dinner one night and I forget what I was cooking. I think ribs or something. And pardon me for a moment. I gotta get that. Oopsies. Gonna get me a fork. And yeah. So the pork was cooked. I ran out of propane, and I mashed these instant mashed potatoes with cold water. Wouldn't recommend it. They were horrible. Really didn't. I don't know. They just weren't right. You need the heat to melt the stuff. Alright, we're just about ready for some din-dins. Glad you guys could come along for a ride today. Pretty good day. My boss wanted me to He asked me if I wanted to take the whole week off. I should have. Oh well. I didn't want to yesterday, but today I'm really wanting to. But go to work. And whoopsies. Ah, yeah. Let's get a little bird at the bottom. Oh, well. Maybe it's crunchy edible. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Well. Potatoes are good. Oh yeah. Striper is such a meaty fish. Flaky, but yet meaty. It's the sweetness of the cilantro and the little bit of hot sauce, that's a very mild hot sauce, the Cholula. Oh, and garlic. I put garlic, a couple cloves of garlic in there. And the cumin also gives a limey flavor along with the lime, and the paprika. Well, I don't know. Paprika doesn't have much of a taste, but makes it look pretty. Oh, are crunching. Too bad it's stuck. What are you gonna do? I ain't perfect. You know, that's one thing about when I do these videos is I'm not perfect. It's life unscripted, not editing the living crap out of everything. This is just life, man. This is life. This is really life. It's the way I like to put my stuff out. It's just me being me. And I'm going to try to add in the little bits of me catching. I don't have me catching the fish, but I got the fish. One of them, I don't know, my stupid phone. I got to stop playing with my phone and stop playing with this thing again, because my phone doesn't, I don't know, having issues. New phone, having issues. But I got a small video and picture of the summer flounder. I didn't get a picture of the black sea bass, so. Alright, with that, I'm signing out. Hit the like and subscribe below and leave a comment. You know how to do. Alright, later all.